Okay, what's this one?
Brachiosaurus.
Oh, okay, what's this one?
T-Rex.
Oh, good job. What's this one?
Brachiosaurus.
No, this one.
Ankylosaurus.
Yeah, good job. Oh, what's this one with the weird head?
Pegasus.
Oh, yeah, Pachyosaurus. Good job. What's this one?
Swimming dinosaur.
Swimming dinosaur. Oh, good job. What is this one?
Triceratops.
Oh, what's the one right beside it? This one.
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Okay, what's this one?
Dilophosaurus.
This one?
Dilophosaurus.
Oh, okay. And what's this one with the weird fin?
Spinosaurus.
Oh, Spinosaurus. Good job. And what's this one?
Pterodactyl.
Pterodactyl. Oh, okay. And what's this one?
Gallimimus.
Gallimimus. Good job. And I think that's it. The ones you know. What's this one?
Fishy.
What?
Fishy, I said.
Oh, a fishy. Okay. Good job.